Hi guys, welcome back to my channel the Tech Creator. Guys, today's in this video you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy A51. So guys, this smartphone I have by today. So I will share in this video this smartphone specification. So let's watch the full video. Friends, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for notification. Samsung Galaxy A51. Guys, you know that this smartphone is released on 16 December 2019. The price of the smartphone is 26,000 in our local market in Indian rupees. Guys, you can see this is the data cable and this is a charger 15 watt, and this is the headphone. Guys, you can see this is the back cover. This back cover it comes with this smartphone set. So guys, you can see this Samsung Galaxy A51 is released on 16 December 2019 with Android 10. Here I am by this smartphone 6GB RAM and with 128GB storage, and this smartphone is 6.5 inch the screen size. Guys, you can see this smartphone is comes with 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel. There are 4 camera you can see with LED flash. Guys, you can also capture the 4K video also with this smartphone. Guys, you can see on the screen the video quality of the smartphone. And front camera is 32 megapixel. So guys, this smartphone comes with operating system Android 10 and chipset is Zynox 1196 with 10 nanometer transistor. Guys, you can see the picture quality of the front camera. You can see on the screen. So here in this smartphone, the company is use the GPU Mali G72. Guys, in this smartphone, the company is use the battery non-removable lithium polymer battery 4000 milliampere. Guys, you can see this smartphone fingerprint or biometric security is under the display. You can see I am setting. So guys, here I am compare with Samsung M40. You can see on my hand is the Samsung M40. So this Samsung M40 is comes with a rear camera 32 megapixel and front camera is 16 megapixel. But good looking, you can see on my hand. Only camera is the different and battery is the different, but looking is same. Front camera also, you can see front camera under the screen. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.